Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a Halara haul. I got my hands on that viral corduroy skirt, y'all, and I'm so excited to show you everything. This is sort of a spring, let's try some new things. I also reordered some things. I was a little bit selfish, I'll be honest, with ordering because I picked, what, 2 or 3 items that I already own, that I know I love, that I just wanted duplicates of, or maybe a different color. So it's good, it's good. I've talked about a lot of times that Halara does actual true plus size. I'm wearing a size 2X and almost everything with the exception of one piece, and we'll talk about it when we get there. They go up to, I believe, a size 4X. I'm a US plus size 20. Again, the 2X works really well for me. I also have a discount code, by the way. Taren 20 will save you a little bit of money at checkout. I have partnered with Halara for, I want to say years at this point, and I continue to work with them. Number one, I get really great feedback from y'all that you're ordering, you're loving, you're liking it, you want me to try some new things, but also I wash, dry, and wear these pieces that I own weekly at this point because I really like them and they hold up really, really nice. So everything will be linked down below. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. Let's do this little outfit first. I already own this skirt, spoiler, but I own it in like the minty green color. So I wanted to give this blue one a go. It's in a size 2X. What I love about it, it's high-waisted, okay? It's their like crossover detail. Super stretchy, which I really, really love. It's a little bit longer in the back than in the front, but the sides aren't attached all the way down. So it's only attached here at the top. So it gives you that option to be a little bit more flowy, a little bit more roomy, I guess, if you are working out in it, but it has shorts. And I think that's such a smart thing to do. On top of that, shorts with pockets, okay? How many times do I stand here and say, if it has pockets, I'm more likely to at least try it on. This is just nice. I feel very springy in this skirt. I think the length of it is super cute. Here's what the shorts look like, by the way, without the skirt. We love this skirt. It's like a workout legging material, but soft, but still gives me, like, I feel very held in. I'm not getting like a ton of compression, but I still feel very like held in and secure. Top is also in a size 2X. This is the first time I've ever tried this style top from them, but it's all attached. So it looks like a little jacket, but it's not. Everything is attached, has removable cups in it or pads. This is in a size 2X. I think the size is perfect. You've got the cute little thumb holes, which I think so many people like. I like too that it's a little bit more of a long line versus a regular like sports bra kind of top sits right under the bust. This, you've got this little bit of extra fabric there. I think it's cute too because it sits, like it sort of hits the top of the skirt. I think it's nice because if maybe you're not comfortable showing skin or you're sort of trying to venture into that cropped look, or you just sweat when you work out and you want something that's gonna be a little bit cooler, then this is a good way to start, something a little bit longer. So if you do feel a little bit self-conscious, you can hike up your bottoms and it kind of covers it for the most part to make you feel comfortable. It's a full back, comes down, you can see where it hits me at. Again, the skirt comes a little bit higher, the skort, is that what I should call it, with the shorts underneath? See, I think of skort as the skirts where you can see the shorts in the back. So to me, this is just a skirt with shorts. I was gonna say this was the first thing I tried on when the box showed up, but it was the corduroy skirt because everyone has been talking about it and I wanted to see if it could work for me. We'll put that on next, by the way, but true to size so far. I think you could probably even size down in the top if you wanted to be a little bit more like compression in the bust area. Also, how smart to put shorts underneath. Here's the skirt. It's a beautiful like taupey brown type color. It does have stretch to it, zips up the back, though I was able just to pull it up, so that's how much stretch it has. And then the shorts underneath are just black shorts. This again is kind of like the skirt I'm wearing. You can't see the shorts with the skirt, but there are shorts underneath the skirt. How cute is this? So this is in a size 2X. I almost sized up to the 3X because I carry weight in my like lower stomach area. So a lot of times I will size up if I'm unsure of fit, but I'm so glad that I got my true size. Again, I just slipped this up. I didn't unzip it or anything to get it on. I love the length of this. I love the fact that it has shorts under it because it is a little bit short, but I think it is the cutest. I'm pretty sure it came in other colors as well. I love the color. I love that it's high-waisted. My belly button is here, so you've got probably 1.5 to 2 inches above the belly button. And that's in addition to the extra weight in my stomach area. So if you don't carry it that way, it could be even higher waisted on you. And then here's what the shorts look like underneath. They're just a stretchy like bike short, not super snug, obviously short because you've got to make them shorter than the skirt, but they're attached at the top here. I don't even know what else to say about it except for sold. I've seen it all over TikTok. Those people were absolutely right. I've only seen like sponsored ads for it. And so I wanted to give it a go for myself. And I'm so glad I got my true size. The fit is so nice. Y'all know I wear like shorter shorts. So this length I think is perfect. So I know like for a lot of people, you might feel like it's a little bit short, but for me, it's not. I don't feel like it is. I like this length, but also remember you have shorts underneath it. If you've been thinking you want to try something like this, give it a go because it's so comfortable. I always say to people who worry about wearing shorts or short things, it's too hot. Like in the summertime, springtime, whenever it gets hot where you live, it is too hot to be wearing pants all the time. Venture out, try it. I think that you'll really, really like it. Okay, let's do these pants and then I'll switch out the top. These are a cargo, like pull-on type pant in the color black. I already own them in a different shade. I love these, oh my gosh. So I own them in like a medium type wash and one size up. So this is the 2XL. I own them in the 3XL in the other color, but I wanted to get one size down because those are very baggy. I wore them to the movies the other day. They're that comfortable to just like lounge around in. They're the kind of pants you wear, but then you don't immediately change out of them when you get home. That's how nice they are. So I got one size down because I wanted something that could be a little bit trendier or maybe wear it with different things, also in the color black. So pull on here. You've got pockets, you've got cargo pockets on the side. These also in the one size down aren't as flowy. The other ones I would call like a wide leg for sure. These aren't near as baggy as the other ones, but I love cargo pants. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I've been trying on cargo pants from so many different places. Halara is my favorite by far. I already own the other pair. I know that I wear them. They're in the washing machine right now. The black will be the exact same thing. I think they're fun. I think they're cool. I think they're trendy. I think this size is fine. They are pull on with super elastic to them, so they are more fitted versus the other size. So if you don't like something super fitted, then size up. But I think that these are just as comfortable. Like I would still sit on my couch in these pants. You've got pockets in the back. The length is so nice on these. Again, I don't even know what else to say. This was a repurchase for me. These are definitely a favorite. I guess you'll hear me say that a lot in this video, but these are like, I know they're a favorite, so I was so excited to order them in a different color. Okay, I lied. I got two things in a size 3X. Let's talk about this top first. It's a Racerback, like back cutout. I'll turn around in a second and show you, with removable pads in it. This one is too big. I should have gotten this in maybe even a 1X. I feel like I'm not getting the best fit out of this. Also, this is just the padding inside. You can't see anything through it. Something else about these white tops is they are double lined. You legitimately cannot see anything through them. It's a beautiful, like crisp white color. I'd say this is more of a tank length versus a longer length like that other top. And this is what the back looks like. So you've got this cutout in the middle, but it's all attached like on the sides. Racerback style. But I do think if you have a larger chest than me, then you would be fine with this. I'm a 40 double D, sometimes triple D, just depending on what I'm wearing. So I think that it's got room if you're larger in the chest. Shorts are also in a size 3X. I'm pretty sure I've tried these shorts, but they were in a 2X and they were a little bit snug. I got black. I love a good pair of like lounge around shorts. I wear them out of the house, especially because these have bike shorts built into them underneath. Again, such a smart idea to put shorts underneath. This is like a windbreaker-ish material. It's not super loud. You've got elastic drawstring in the waist. I love the length of these. I'm so glad I got the 3X in these. These kind of shorts are really a staple for me. I wear them again at home, out of the house, all of the above. So I'm very happy with these. I do think these came in other colors as well. And it's like a mesh. You've got a little bit of mesh at the bottom too. This like maybe inch bit is see-through mesh, but the rest is not. And then again, you got the shorts underneath. So this is cute. I wish I would have sized down or got my regular size on the top, but the shorts I think are perfect. All right, last item is a repurchase, a second purchase. They're these crackly, like shimmer, faux leather leggings. I get them in a size 2X. I already own a pair, the exact same color, but I love them so much. I wear them every single week that I thought, let me just go ahead and get a backup pair so that when one's in the washing machine, I have a second pair to wear. I think they're so cute with like oversized t-shirts. You could wear them to work out in. They're that sort of material. They're just nice and they fit really nice. And this like shimmery style can be dressier. Granted, they're leggings, but I think they can be a little bit dressier or again, like for workout or like everyday wear. Here they are. Exactly the same fit. I love them. They're long enough. They're super high-waisted. They've got that crossover style. I find that these don't roll down when I'm wearing them either, as long as you get your proper size or maybe even size down if you want more of a compression, because these right now are just very comfortable. Really high-waisted in the back too with this extra pocket here. So you can put like your key fob or I don't know, your phone would probably fit in that. It's pretty big. I like them. I'm happy with this purchase. I know I like them, so it made sense to get a second pair. They're easy to style, they're fun, they're comfortable, all of the above. All right, that is a wrap. I will link everything down below. Don't forget Taren 20 will save you 20% off. My favorites, again, the repurchases are like a given. I liked them enough to get them again, but that corduroy skirt I think is so cute and I think it's gonna be so fun in the spring and summer when it warms up a little bit. That color is such an easy color to style for different seasons. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you to Halara for partnering with me on yet again another video. I hope that you enjoyed it as well, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.